Good day everyone! For today's video, we will provide you 12 tips and tricks for Microsoft Outlook Calendar. Tip number 1. Show calendar in your inbox. While browsing your inbox, you can easily view your calendar at the side of your screen. Simply click the View, then To-Do bar, then Calendar. Tip number 2. Set default meeting duration. The default meeting duration is 30 minutes, but you can change it according to your preference. You can start early or end early. In this example, we will shorten the default meeting by 25 minutes. Click on File, then Options in Calendar Settings. Enable the Shorten Appointments and Meetings by clicking it. There you go! You can now select End Early or Start Early. For this example, we will select End Early when the meeting is less than an hour by 5 minutes. Now, when we create a meeting, the default duration for a 30-minute meeting would be shortened to 5 minutes. Tip number 3. Reply with Calendar. You can reply to a message or email using a calendar. Click any message you want in your inbox, then click Reply, and you can see in Message tab an option Attach File, then click it. In Attach Item, choose Calendar. Then you can select any date you want. For this example, I'm gonna send my schedule on Tuesday, since Danica is asking my availability on Tuesday. Tip number 4. Teams meeting by default. You can create a meeting and automatically it will also create a Teams meeting. Click File, then Options, then Calendar. Select the Add Online Meeting to All Meetings. By default, Microsoft Teams is selected, but you can check your own settings if it is selected. Now, when you create a meeting, a Teams meeting will also be created. Tip number 5. Conditional Formatting. You can format the colors of the meeting according to some conditions. For this example, you can see the items called Lunch every 12 p.m. Click View, then View Settings, choose Conditional Formatting, add a new item, then choose any name you want and color. Click Condition, then Organized By. You can see a list of names connected to your account. Normally, these people are your co-employees. For this example only, I will type the name of this account. Click OK. After that, you can see that all items that were created or organized by me will automatically become color yellow. Let's create another condition. For this example, I will create a condition organized by my colleague Danica and will change the color to pink. Tip number 6. Create a Teams meeting. Just simply click Meet Now. You can copy the link of the meeting or invite a colleague. Tip number 7. Send to OneNote. Send your meeting to OneNote for note-taking. Click any item, then at the top portion in the Meeting tab, click Send to OneNote. Choose a notebook and a section. And there you go, the meeting details is now in your OneNote. Tip number 8. Change time scale. Click on View tab, then Time Scale. You can choose the time scale you want. It can be by 60 minutes, 30 minutes, which is by default, 15 minutes, 8 minutes, and 5 minutes. Tip number 8. Change calendar view by keyboard shortcut. You can change your calendar view using only your keyboard. We will start a single day view by clicking Alt plus 1, Alt plus 2 for 2 days, Alt plus 3 for 3 days, Alt plus 9 for 9 days, Alt plus 10 for 10 days, and Alt plus equal sign for month view. Tip number 10. Create a meeting using drag and drop message. Simply drag a message then drop it to the calendar icon. It will automatically create an appointment. Just fill in the details, the date and time, then send it. Tip number 11. Categorize. This is just another way of organizing the calendar. Choose an item, then right-click it, go to Categorize, and you can click any default color. For this example, I will choose purple. And for my lunch item, I will create a new category named lunch, and the color will be peach. Tip number 12, or the last tip. Disable forwarding. You can disable the forwarding of your appointments and meeting by simply creating a new meeting, then go to Response Options, uncheck Allow Forwarding, and then there you go. The meeting you've created won't be available for forwarding anymore. Thank you so much for watching up to this part of the video. If you'd like to see more similar contents, just click the subscribe button below and the notification bell. See you until the next tips and tricks video!